Hello everyone. Now we will start with a new topic. Our new topic is SAP cross applications, one of the most important topic in the SAP. Now, before we start what is cross applications, SAP divided the technical objects into six areas. We all know that in SAP, the technical objects are divided into six areas. RISE-FW, you always heard this term. R stands for reports, I stands for interfaces, C stands for conversion, E stands for enhancement, F stands for forms, and W stands for workflow. These cross applications are the part of interfaces. They come under interfaces. Now, word itself is saying they are interfaces. It means with the help of cross application, we can transfer the data between the system. They are interface. With the help of that interface, you can transfer the data between the systems. Now, systems can be any system. So with the help of interface, you can transfer the data from non-SAP to SAP, from SAP to non-SAP, you can transfer from SAP to SAP also. There's no restriction at all with the help of cross application because they are interface. They are interface. So with the help of that interface, you can transfer from non-SAP to SAP, SAP to non-SAP, and SAP to SAP also. We have so many, I'll say, cross applications are available in SAP. So we have BAPI is there, RFC is there, we have iDocs is there, and in the iDocs we have ALE and EDI is there. We'll discuss these things one by one. So what is cross application? Cross application fall under interfaces. Interfaces. Word itself is saying if they are interfaces, it means they will act as a interface between non-SAP to SAP, SAP to non-SAP, SAP to SAP also. And the various examples of cross application are BAPI, RFC, IDOC, and IDOC further is of ALE and ADI. Now, before we start with any cross application, we will take a requirement, and this requirement will continue till the end. Everything will be in continuation. We will take a requirement and we will achieve that requirement using BAPI with iDocs. BAPI with iDocs. It means BAPI will cover, iDoc will cover, and then we will see how we can proceed. Now, what is our requirement? Customer will provide the employee data in a file. We have the employee data in the file. We will migrate that employee data into the SAP system by using what? BAPI with iDocs. It means we will learn BAPI, we will learn iDoc. Yes, just now we discussed cross application helps in non-SAP to SAP, SAP to non-SAP, SAP to SAP. It means if we are transferring the data from the file, it means it is a non-SAP because file is also a non-SAP. Now, what are the three steps involved in this whole requirement? Firstly, we will go for full-fledged BAPI. What is BAPI? We will create a BAPI based upon our requirement. Then we will learn iDocs. We will create iDoc interface for the BAPI. And after doing these two steps, in the LSMW, if you remember, we have an option in LSMW. If I'll show you LSMW, in LSMW, we have an option to migrate data using BAPI with iDocs. So if I will go for first step, if you see, we have an option business object method. BAPI with iDocs. We will use this method to migrate everything, to migrate the employee data. So what is the learning of the video, or what we studied in the video? We studied what is cross application. Cross application come under interfaces, and interface means from non-SAP to SAP, SAP to SAP, and from SAP to non-SAP also. The various cross applications are iDocs, BAPI, and iDocs is further of ALE, EDI, RFC is there. Before we go for anything, we discuss the requirement, that this is our requirement. We will migrate the employee data into SAP system using BAPI with iDocs. So firstly, we will learn BAPI, then we will go for full learning of iDocs. Then in the LSMW, we have an option BAPI with iDocs, business object method. And with the help of that, we will migrate the data. In the next video, we will start with the first step, that what is BAPI, and based upon our requirement, we will create a BAPI. That's it in this video. Thank you.